everyone. I hope again the course is going good for you. So in today's video, I'm gonna share again a new topic, and this topic is really interesting. So let me share my screen, and today's topic name is Satzfragen. Okay, what are Satzfragen? We are going to understand it in some time. So basically, when you ask a question and the answer to that question is yes and no, those are called as Satzfragen. For example, if I am asking, are you coming to Berlin? Your answer will be, yeah, I am coming to Berlin, right? Or are you going to sleep? No, I'm not going to sleep. So to answer these questions, you're using yeah or nein, correct? Yes or no. So these are called as Satzfragen. Now, for example, we have kommst du aus Russland, okay? Kommst du aus Russland? Do you come from Russia? Ja, ich komme aus Russland. Ja, I come from Russia. Okay. Wohnst du in Berlin? Do you live in Berlin? Nein, ich wohne nicht in Berlin. So if you observe here, what are we doing is we are answering these questions with yes and no. So we have two kind of sentences, interrogative sentences. One is Satzfragen, the other one is W-Fragen. Okay. W-Fragen. W-Fragen means W questions. For example, woher kommen Sie? Woher kommen Sie? Answer will be ich komme aus Indien. Answer will not be like ja, ich komme aus Indien. Okay. So where do you come from? I come from India. So in this, where do you come from? It's a W-Fragen. It's a W question which cannot be answered by yes and no. Yeah and nein. Okay. So that is why the questions that can be answered with yes and no, they comes under Satzfragen. Now, that is what I have written here. So all the Satzfrage is answered with ja or nein. And in Satzfrage, the verb and subject positions are exchanged. Okay. So if you observe any German sentence, for example, ich wohne in Berlin. Okay, this is a normal sentence. So if you observe any sentence in German, the rule of that sentence is that the verb will always come at the second place, always. Okay. No matter whatever it is, the verb will always come at the second place. This is the rule of the sentence making in or sentence structure in German. Okay. So when you form a question, what happens is their positions gets exchanged. Okay. So now if I want to answer like du kommst aus Russland. It's not a question, it's a statement. You come from Russia. Okay. This is a statement. In order to make this as a question, I have to put the verb at the first place and this at the second place. That is why it becomes kommst du aus Russland with a interrogative, Fragezeichen, okay, which is interrogative mark. So verb will always come at the first place, then comes the subject and the object in the rest of the sentence. Okay. We have more examples like wohnst du in Berlin? Do you live in Berlin? Also here we have a verb, then we have a subject and then the rest of the sentence. So answer will be ja, ich wohne in Berlin. Nein, ich wohne nicht in Berlin. So if you see these two sentences, where is the verb? The verb is at the second place. Okay. Then lernst du Deutsch? Are you learning German? Then ja, ich lerne Deutsch. Ja, I'm learning German. Nein, ich lerne kein Deutsch. No, I am not learning German or I don't learn German. Okay. So now basically there is one very, very important thing that I want to tell everyone, that there is no continuous tense in German. Okay. There is no continuous tense in German. There is no continuous tense. What is continuous tense? Continuous tense is ismr plus ing form. For example, I am cooking. This is an English sentence. I am cooking. So what is happening here? We have ing plus we have m. Okay, so this is called as continuous form, present continuous. Okay, so this tense does not exist in German. So what happens is this sentence is equal to I cook. So basically, if you're writing ish, So let's translate this sentence. I am cooking. Okay. I am cooking. Let's translate this sentence into German word by word and let's see what happens. I means ich, M means bin. Cooking is koche, and if we have to write it according to ich, it will be Verbstamm plus e koche. Right? Ich bin koche. Now, word to word translation is correct. But in German, this is 200% wrong. Why? Because, first of all, there is no continuous tense in German. So, the answer will be not ich bin koche, just ich koche. Okay? Ich koche. So the translation, so this is the wrong sentence first of all, and right answer is ich koche. So the English translation of ich koche will be I cook, and we can also tell it like I am cooking when we translate it. Okay, so I cook and I am cooking, we both are using as a simple sentence without any continuous. Okay, so these are the things that you have to remember. I guess this was clear, this was very simple. Until then, practice and see you in the next one. Bye.